All right, welcome back. Now, before the break, we did tell you of this particular woman, Mary. We don't share her story to the entire world. And her story just goes like this. She see one accident where it happened for 3rd Mainland Bridge. She, they try to save the victims, but they come outside talk, say, no, you need to go through protocol before you actually save the victims. Make we just watch video to know whether not true or not be true.
Did you hit your chest anyway? I just want to be sure you're not bleeding internally. Oh my goodness. See, there are people's vehicles here.
Yeah, that is what I'm saying here.
Look at this traffic. There's no way ambulance. How would the ambulance come here? The ambulance will join this whole traffic all the way to come here. Advise the policeman to follow us to the hospital. He says he's controlling traffic. Let the LASMA control traffic. One police can join a private vehicle and take these people to the hospital. Which kind of thing be this now? Eh? What is so difficult in doing this? My car is dead. Please bring somebody. I will take the person to the hospital. Here's an accident.
Not to follow the protocol.
What is this protocol? What is this protocol? What is this protocol? Is it where somebody dies, you follow what protocol is this? My car is here. I can pick somebody. My car is there. There's another vehicle here. Please bring these people. Let's move them. My vehicle is still in front.
This one is taking somebody now. You come. This man said he will leave.
I'm just passing. I saw this vehicle had an accident. See the bus there.
Let me leave your car to come back.
Okay.
All right, thanks a bunch to Eyewitness, because now from there now we actually see this particular woman's story, and now for there now we see the video Eyewitness. All right, ladies, what do you think about this particular story from this woman? And the video don't actually show us what actually happened.
Exactly.
You need to go through protocol before you save the life of those people.
Protocol, people, they bleed. The woman, they ask her, you sure? Because the woman, they big. You know, the people where they on the bigger side, they stand chances to get internal bleeding immediately. And not be said because person still they breathe. You know, you get some one accident where I don't witness like that. The man say, no, I'm okay, I'm fine. And he go house the next day black. Yeah. Because you don't bleed overnight inside and he die. You know, just today, sure, say the person they okay to take him go hospital, and somebody saying he they control traffic, say he they must follow protocol.
What are the protocols? I don't get it.
You see, back to the first story of say they value person life first before every other thing. Nigerians, we need to learn. I just
you know, when I see the story, when I see the as I just watch the video, I think I say so truly. Then they wait to make ambulance pass through that. Wherever the ambulance. No, they're going to helicopter carry the ambulance, come land down for that place. Where we know as 3rd Mainland traffic, they take B. People, they're ready to volunteer their car. They say protocol. Waiting be that protocol. Me, I really want to know that protocol, because in case person need to help, they go say, but you know, say sometimes we look and say, police really get this gunshot victims when they talk about. You need to go to hospital, show them police report, all those things. But this one na road accident. So what's it I want show? Which reports I want show give you?
No be you hit them one run.
When everybody see the vehicle,
because now what should they tell the woman say if you carry them like this now, they go say now you they involved in a move.
Yes.
Because according by the story now, what did they tell her?
Because it don't happen to people too. Somebody help person carry go hospital.
Yes.
As the person wake up, it doesn't that the person hit her.
You can imagine.
Me, my body weak.
I'm not say they send down.
No, seriously, my body weak as I see this nonsense. Because number one, person will almost one quench. You won't do traffic. What be traffic? Cause last man they there like the woman talk. No, this thing just they make me.
Should we even see the last man?
I see the last man or the policeman.
No, it's followed protocol.
Which nonsense protocol?
No, but this one.
No, it's not funny because number one, I'm even happy the woman made.
She shout her mouth.
She shout her mouth. Thank you. I can't even speak English.
And people join mouth.
She can't even record them. She they record. She they make a difference. Now why go just they record nonsense? Just they show everybody. When they even make a move. Now make una they learn from this thing. Record if you want record, but make a difference. I do man make it count. I shout. I don't know, Madam Mary Ikoku. God bless you wherever you are. It is well with your generations yet to come.
They will find favor when they need it.
Yes. Because 50 people would have died for nothing because of due process. Due process is when something there's time. there's no time. People's life day is involved. So me, and I like what the woman did. I
like him. She really
what
tried.
she do? They very
and this is what
we
they always preach about. As in, we need to stand up for one another, because some people feel actually they for inside their AC tighted car, tinted glasses, and just see the accident, just to say, oh, and just pass by. But she actually stopped and actually take time to bring out her phone to video. Why some other people now want to do jungle justice? Hey, kill him, beat her, beat this.
That's what they do. Carry stick. Now they won't throw the heavy stick pass. So I beg, we understand saying at the age of technology, make we try.
Use well.
Make use of them well.
Yeah.
We need to tell our stories by ourselves. Everything must not be government. Because the last man go tell you, say, government puts me for road, no be accident victim. The policeman go tell you, say, they say, I protect life and property. But where you want to move for there, because you don't get Okada, you don't get motor. If motor they how you want to move them. You understand? So we need to stand for ourselves. Then the people where they work, when they put for that department, say we value ourselves, they go add value to us.
I tell you. True. And also this country feel not good day better until we start to value human life.
Yeah.
Until one particular Nigerian, one life of a Nigerian, they're very important to the security officials.
Yes.
Because you can imagine what happened and you're taught to follow protocols. When in the first instance, now you're supposed to beg, please, sir, please stop your car, please. Can you help us carry this
just take them to the hospital.
Rather, you say follow protocols, really.
And then you say, me as a police officer, I'm vouching for you people, saying that I did with them, nothing if it happen. Report or no report, I did there. No,
because truth not there, the policeman mouth.
You don't need to, you don't want to put yourself inside that trouble.
Truth not there in mouth, you don't fit testify.
That's why they are really not our friend.
No, police is your friend. No, police is your friend. The statement goes, police is your friend.
Who is your?
Your friend.
Please, we actually need to start to value human life for inside Obodo Naija. And I wish that if you get that, the man name and number. Now, something if you even report.
Yes.
Follow him up to find out why this particular man do this kind of thing.
But you know why I no one really throw it, make she do that kind of thing.
No.
You get one other incident where I actually witnessed what do they call these people? Police, traffic warden. Then they there, police they there. Then they kidnap people they shout for the boss.
Okay.
You know, so when they can't tell them, they call, they say, so they happen for them, say that my position, they are not to come up from my position.
No, it's possible. My police, they are our friend. It's possible.
They are our best friends.
You need to shout, say, police is your friend. Police is your friend, they are kidnapping me. No, they're not shout away. No, they're not shout away.
People don't shout.
You just need to shout, say, police is your friend. You understand?
They are your friends.
Oh.
It's well.
All right, it is well.
Big men on black.
Please, I beg our police officers. We actually appreciate what they do, but we need to do more to protect lives and properties for inside Obodo Naija. All right, moving on, we go into that particular one. Actress Mercy Aigbe, she don't come and talk about marriages for inside the entertainment industry and also Nollywood industry as a whole. Now she come and talk say Nollywood marriages they are more challenging right now. Now, according by her, she talks say failed marriages don't they on the increase now. Not just for inside Nollywood. Some people are not just ready to be married because it comes with its own challenges, and people also get married for the wrong reasons.
Yeah.
Now she goes to constantly add more things join her. She said Nollywood marriages are more challenging because we are constantly in the news without any breathing space or privacy. He said also some journalists just get stories and they're very lazy to verify whether not true or not be true. But the only thing they want now to just click on publish.
Yes, sir.
Let me be the first to release the story. Say journalists need to know that people are wicked and we want to get back at someone out there. So it go good make they check their story before they actually publish them. Now we know say Mercy Aigbe married since 2013 and she is still married. Now let's talk about what Mercy Aigbe talk about. Failed marriages are on the increase now, not just in Nollywood but in all sectors, as in Nigeria, everywhere for inside the world. Why?
For me, I would say because we never understand how to handle fame. People don't understand, say, okay, like, Ma just bring out this one. What's it mean? Mama G. What's her name?
Mama G now, Patience Uzoko.
Yes. She talks, say, she they go market, and market women, they say, you be very wicked woman. They don't understand, say, na character. She they act, she they try to tell you story about this particular person, what's in the person be just for you to learn on them. So they will put on for their head, say, now so the person be. That one aside. Then the pressure of, if you know, say, if you handle home, your fans, your group, because we get different set of people. We get groupies. They go tell you, say them be your wife. They know everything about. They dedicate time to know more about you, what you eat, where you go. Imagine a fan tell you, say, you know where you go, what you eat, person where you hang out, the time where you go there, and come they tell your wife. You know, gas you wanted. The wife go, they imagine, say, yes, he told me he was there. Oh, yeah. You know, fit. Then the fan come fit, just send you one message, you mistakenly reply. Or create another page. Talk, say, now you copy, there are pictures there everywhere. Put the picture, write something under, you go to say, now the person they follow talk. So their life, they're a bit complicated. And again, we don't still see Joke Sylvia and her husband. Olu Jacob. How many years? Maybe because technology no come day like that.
Darling, that is just 1 out of 10.
Yes, that's why they talk. I said we don't concede. It makes somebody strive hard. You know, they easy. Like they always talk. She will tell you, you know, they easy. In short, now the person why they fight must be that, and I'm my best friend, and I'm my this. But you go to ask, okay, how the best friend be? The best friend where the wife come outside and say, my husband beats me, he's a wicked man. The man to say, no, please come back home, I love you. I don't understand. We know the story, you know, just get straight away. So make we just try. Yeah, all of us are celebrity of ourselves. These celebrities, then they no be superhuman. The same way where they live now. So just learn what you go believe about them.
What do you think? Why are marriages failing nowadays?
Patience, understanding. My own be say, you know, imagine those days when our papa and mama, they no sabi themselves. They go just say, you're marrying you.
No, they know they say you they go Kaduna, go meet your husband.
Thank you. Mama marry my papa, one thing lead to another thing. She just say herself for Kaduna, no family, no nothing. She just marry. How many? More than 20 years. You understand?
Yeah.
These days, we don't live for the same house. We don't shop, we don't go, we don't date, we don't court. All this time, nothing happen.
Friendship.
And then when we just marry one day, just okay, I don't need you no more. You don't love me no more. I'll pack your load and go. Oh yes, the men are out to that hair. No, I don't know where the thing they come from. They understand the person knows sabi each other. They even last better than those where we say we don't over sabi on ourselves. So patience, understanding, self-control. Yes, because you dey limelight, people they watch you too much like you talk. People want to know everything about you, plus waiting concern them, waiting no concern them, waiting daily, waiting no day real. But that one, my own, I go talk, Sha.
Amaka, just one simple sentence.
I agree with her.
Because truly, Nollywood people, then they out there. And I don't know whether their PAs, they like, put them.
No.
All those, I just give my own. Because is it possible to say your PA one, you know, they tell you say bad publicity and good publicity, honor publicity. So they will tell you say, hey, put them out there, put them out there. So obviously, if you put yourself out there, be ready to say anything that comes your way.
For me, when the pressure to get married don't increase, then definitely divorce cases go plenty. Because you're being pressured to get married, you get married for the wrong reasons. But like what you talk, it's good for you to get married for the right reasons. We go actually need to pass more break right about now. When we come back, our guests will join us inside the studio and we will give you letter from reviewers.
They come back.
If you just enjoy the video, they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.